Monday I drifted away, coffee to keep me away. Saw New York on Final Town, this credit card shut up right. Tuesday I woke with the dawn, put my old wedding ring on. She said time is a fickle mistress, drink but you'll never forget. I am invisible to you, all on my own, what can I do? Sat by this hill, city of dreams, as if hung from a tree, hoping that you'd notice me, and so on. Well, hi there pluckers, I've a Sore Fingers again with another hopefully interesting lesson for you. This one is a song from my backlog of songs which has just now surfaced, and it's a song from a band called Margot and the Nuclear So-and-Sos, and the song's called Open Your Eyes. Okay, now then, I am I have dropped my tuning by half a step to play this song. I don't normally do this, but Margot and the Nuclear So-and-Sos have, for this song, they've got their guitars detuned by half a step, and I think it does add something to the sound. If you're trying to play this song, it does sound better if you are detuned half a step. So I've done exactly the same. So if you want to play along with this song and do the lesson, then please detune your guitar by half a step. So what you have to do is, if you've got an electronic tuner, if you're in standard tuning, loosen all your strings. You have to loosen all your strings a little bit, and your bottom E string goes down to, on the electronic tuner it'll show you D sharp. Okay, D sharp for the bottom E string, should sound like that. The A string goes down to G sharp on the electronic tuner, should sound like that. Okay, the fourth string, the D string, should go down to C sharp. The third string, the G string, goes down to F sharp. The B string, second string, goes down to A sharp. And the top E string goes down to D sharp. Okay, so you should be something like this now. Okay, right, the song itself is fairly straightforward. It starts off with an E minor. Okay, so you basically play an E minor, and then after a slight pause, Monday I drifted away. Right, so that's the first two chords, E minor and C. So you start off with E minor, Monday I drifted away, and he starts off by hitting that root note of the C chord, the third on the fifth, okay? Monday I drifted away. And then he does a hammer, does a root note, quick strum, and then a hammer. Lifts up that second fret of the fourth string, second finger, and hammers back into it. Okay, so Monday I drifted away. Okay, and the third chord is a D chord with the F sharp in the bass. So, first finger, second fret, bottom E string. Second finger is playing the second fret of the third string, the G string, okay, and either your third finger or pinky plays the third fret of the B string. Okay, I'm generally use my pinky, but you can use your third finger. Okay, I'm not playing the top E string. I'm playing with that chord held. I'm playing from 6 down to 2. Not playing the top E string. Okay. So far we've got this. Right. Right, so it's Monday I drifted away with some coffee and some beer. Yeah, so it's coffee keep me awake is G with a progression. So you play that G chord however you wish to play it, G chord, that way or that way, and then you play that, and then you move the bass note down to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string. Okay, and then you're back to the E minor. So it's a run down from G, F sharp, down to E minor on that bass note. Okay, so, and then it just repeats. Okay, so E minor, Monday I drifted, C with hammer, D with F sharp in the bass, some coffee to keep me, a G, run down, repeat E minor, sold in your final time, his credit card shut up your eyes. 2nd verse exactly the same chords, okay? Tuesday I woke with the dawn and put my old wedding ring on. Their time is a fickle mistress. You drink but you'll never fool this. And then we're into the chorus, okay? So 2 verses exactly the same to play, okay? So we'll just go through that whole thing again, nice and so it's fairly slow, this song, so it's not too difficult. So Monday I drifted away with some coffee to keep me away. You saw New York one final time. This credit card shut up your eyes. Tuesday I woke with the dawn, put my old wedding ring on. She said time is a fickle mistress. Can drink but you'll never fool. I am invisible to you. All on my own, what can I do? Sat by his heaven, city of dreams. Wednesday hung from a tree. Right, so that coming out of that 2nd verse where it goes, she said the time is fickle mistress. Drink but you never fool this. Run down. Right, now we go to a C chord, straight hammer. Just hammer straight into it. Right, so I'm invisible to G, U, C hammer. All on my own, what can I G do? C hammer. Southbound is G, heaven, city of sin. I'll show you that bit in a second, so let's just do this bit again. C, and I am G, invisible to you, hammer C, all on my own G, what can I do? C hammer, southbound G is heaven, city of sin. Into the next verse, and what I'm doing there on that last bit, heaven, sorry, southbound is heaven, city of sin is 2 fingers. 2nd finger is playing the 2nd fret on the bottom E string, and my 3rd finger is playing the 2nd fret on the top E string. And what you do is you hit that bottom E string, and then you pluck the top E string, 2nd string and 3rd string, right? And then hit that bottom E string again. So it's, and you do that 3 times, okay? So thumb, bum, bum, da 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 bum, da 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 bum, bum. And then you're into the next verse. Wednesday I hung from a tree. Da, 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 da. Exactly the same to play as the 1st verse, exactly, okay? So let's just do that ending bit again. So on that, where it goes city of sin. So yeah, it's exactly the same to play, as I said. So Wednesday I hung on a tree, hoping that you'd notice me, that you'd baffle my wounds in your tear, and shower me with sympathy. Next verse. Thursday was harder to take, those pills were piled high on my plate. I swallowed each one in a day, like a spider I would say. Sing the chorus again. I am invisible to you, all on my own, what can I do? Sat by this heaven, city of dreams. Okay, and then off into another verse again. Okay, so that's it. That's all I can say actually. There's nothing else to show you on that. It's just verses and choruses. Okay, so have fun with that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.